Hello everyone. Okay. First, I'm going to start off with, I'm going to upload, when I upload this video, I will be adding the links to descriptions, in the description to everything I buy off Amazon. That way you guys are able to get it. First, we're going to start off with the Robin Air. Robin Air is a multi-Freon recovery machine. Does 410 for a household, 32 for a household. It does 134A for automotive. It does a bunch of different Freons, a list of them. So this can be used for a multi-purpose. The recovery machine down here, same purpose. It does not care what Freon it uses. So them two pieces right there can be used on your house or your automotive. Okay, what we have here is our scale. The Freon tank sits on the scale all times, and that's where it stays. When I recover Freon from a customer's car, I put it back in here. I know how much I'm putting in. I check to see how much Freon they need to put back installed in their vehicle, and so I put it back in. And that way, if I have to put extra, I know what to charge the customer. I got to check to see if this unit will run the new Freon also. If it does run the new Freon system in the newer cars, I will have to get another recovery tank. Okay, we have their O-ring set. This is purchased on Amazon. 36 sizes, almost 600 pieces. This is for automotive air. You said it. I bought this kit on Amazon, like I said. Many different sizes in it. Awesome little thing to have. My Schrader valves. Again, purchased on Amazon. Fits a lot of vehicles. Even the Fords, which is the huge ones. Little removal tool. My UV flashlight and glasses. My UV oil. I just got this in from Amazon. I was out. So far, these 4 pieces on Amazon. Here's 2 of these tools. You put them on, undo the Schrader valve, pull it up, lock the system, take it off, replace the new Schrader valve in, tighten it up, open the valve, push it on, tighten it up, all done, top it off with Freon. Now, again, that's them 2 there. Pair of channel locks, get the caps off. This is a master kit I got off Amazon that does Schrader valves. Same exact way as them 2 pieces. Awesome kit. I did have to do a little modification on this one for the Fords. It just, when they made it, it was a little bit off. I already did a video on that, and I believe they fixed it. This here is to inject dye in the system. That way you can find out where your leaks are. The dye works awesome, but if the system is completely out of Freon, it does not work like you would think. Without Freon, you're only gonna get so much dye into it, and with the compressor not coming on because it's out of Freon, you won't get your leaks like you would. That's when you use nitrogen, which I have the tanks over there. Okay, this is from a Harbor Freight kit. It is a master kit. It came with these manifolds, some of these hoses. I carry my extra connectors and adapters in here, so on. That way they're in here, just all my extra stuff for it. I keep at least 2 of these in the car all times. This one's set up with a long hose. This one's set up with a short hose. I normally use the small ones if they only need a little bit. Like when I replace the Schrader valve and I just got to top it off. Now on the Robinair, I do have the main pop-ons on for the high and lows. The manifolds I use to see, you know, what the Freon levels are without hooking the big machine up, so on. The only time I really hook this up is if I got to, you know, pull the Freon. If I don't have to pull the Freon out of it, I don't even hook it up. Now I can hook these manifolds up to this tank, fill it up that way also, so it's all universal. The machine down here, the vacuum down here, and let's see if I can turn you a little bit. This vacuum down here on the bottom, can you see it? Yes. It's a Pittsburgh from Harbor Freight. That thing's a couple of years old. Works great. A lot of times I'll use that to pull a vacuum over the Robinair. And the reason for it is it's more friendlier on that than it is that. Not that it doesn't do it, it's just that's friendlier. I don't think I've actually ever done a full vacuum on that machine. So I should, you know, hold my breath on that one because I don't know if it does it or not. You know, when we do a vacuum, you know, we're going minus, you know, 30, and that's the best way to do it. For one, we find out if there's any leaks, because when you pull a vacuum, if there's a leak, it's not going to pull your vacuum to stay there. 2, there's guaranteed to be no oxygen in there because it's, you know, in the negatives. So I'm going to actually try it one of these days and pull a vacuum. So yeah, we're going way down in the minus here. But 1 bar, I guess minus 1 bar. But now this is my unit. The reason why it's on a cart like this, one is that I can roll it anywhere in this garage, outside, and use it. It makes it really handy, and it's movable real estate. So I don't have to have a vehicle in that bay or that bay, so on. That's why I have it on a movable cart. Right until recently, it was just laying around the garage, a spot here and a spot there. It got too hectic trying to use it that way. That's why I put it on a movable cart. So this cart will stay with this. When I'm not using it, I'll put it off in the corner somewhere. If I need to use that corner for a reason, I just move it off to somewhere else out of his way. This is your basic setup, kind of what you need if you're going to be doing advanced AC in your garage. If you're just going to be topping it off, you know, replacing Schrader valves, this kit, this here, and that kit down there is all you need to replace Schrader valves. You do not need any of this other nonsense here. This is for replacing compressors and whatnots. When you have a broken line, you know, you have a broken line, then you don't need even that. All you need is the vacuum and your tank and the scale to know how much you're putting in the system. And if you fill it up with these, which you can get the adapter for, I have it, you can fill it up that way. So you just need your manifolds, your vacuum, these, and 1 adapter, and you can fill it up. You're good to go. The Harbor Freight kit comes with that adapter. So the Harbor Freight kit is what's in that box there for the most part, and that manifold's there. And if you did a vacuum on the AC in a car, you can fill it up with these cans with just them few pieces. So $60, $85, $90, so $150. You can pull a vacuum on your car and go ahead and fill it up. So that's not a bad deal. Because I'm going to tell you right now, the first time you take it to a garage, you're going to pay more than that for them to put the HVAC in, fix your HVAC issue. And they're going to charge you $100 to $150 just take Freon out of that tank and put it in your car. And these newer cars don't need a lot. Some of these newer cars only need 24 ounces. But if you take it to Joe Smo Blow's garage, he's going to charge you over $100 for Freon. Now, that's not me, but again, I do a lot of jobs for veterans, disabled people, farmers, and so on. My garage is not out to make the money like a lot of these garages. Again, I will get these links in there for you. I will be adding the links tomorrow because I got to upload through my phone because my internet is crapped out completely. And I'm just waiting for the fire to get here. Have a great day, folks. Thank you for watching. Like the channel, subscribe, share it, and enjoy your day.